Since 2012, Friends for All project has been a lifeline for Glasgow's diverse communities, breaking down barriers, building confidence, and opening doors of opportunity for people from every walk of life.
My name is Emeka Onyekwere. I am the CEO, Friends for All project, a charity organization based here in Glasgow. We support the Afro-Caribbean community in and around Glasgow, Renfrewshire and Paisley, 70% of whom are migrants families living on visa and have no recourse to public funds.
What began as a small initiative has grown into a vibrant movement of friendship and empowerment. Over the years, we have created safe spaces where young people discover their potential through mentorship and confidence-building workshops, while adults find renewed strength in activities that bring joy, connection, and a sense of belonging.
The project is quite encouraging. As a youth, I benefited, and it helps me to at least have a course in analysis, which I really appreciate the impact because it's helping me in seeking jobs and keeping more broad knowledge of what life is all about and what the market is also all about. So it's quite encouraging.
Okay, my name is Maureen. I'm very, very happy today to be in your midst, and thank you very much for this wonderful gift. I never expected anything like
at least the job I am having currently was as a result of the course and the training I had prior before now. So the project has really impacted me and equipped me with the right tools, right equipment to the work I currently have. Yeah.
According to the course, it's something one needs to be having a kind of a retraining programs, and which will keep our knowledge more active, and that will also help us in the job market. So it's something good to be happening, and other people also can also be part of the knowledge if other training is being done. So
Tamali, I'm so excited about this gift from Friends for All project. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you to family of Friends of All project for the help and charity and for the course. That I just give a very big thank you to them, and I hope that I'll have a broad course so I can be able to upgrade more to a.
Loneliness and social isolation remain real challenges in our society. That's why our programs go beyond skills and training. They bring people together, foster friendships, and nurture communities where no one feels left behind. Whether it's a young person finding their voice, a newcomer to Glasgow building their first local connections, or families coming together to share experiences, the Friends for All project is about giving everyone the chance to thrive. This journey of impact and growth would not have been possible without the unwavering support of our partners and sponsors. We are deeply grateful to Next Step Initiative, Comic Relief, the Health Foundation, National Emergencies Trust, and City Bridge Trust, whose belief in our vision has powered our work and enabled us to touch countless lives. Together with your support, we are shaping brighter futures, inspiring positive choices, and proving every single day that friendship truly is for all.
All the funders to come to our rescue so that we can be able to fulfill this project. Thank you.
Thank you.